Hello, hi there, this is Random News and today's topic is astrology with Shelly Bose, and today we're gonna share about some astrology quotes which will be useful for the people who gets inspiration from the astrology signs. So I'm gonna be breaking down all the astrology signs which are Aries, Libra, Capricorn, Gemini, Taurus, Scorpion, Aquarius, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Sagittarius and Pisces. So first one will be Aries. A promotion brings several perks, so enjoy them. Increased travel for work is one of them. Cosmic tip: retain the bond with your spouse partner. This makes life so good, positive and peaceful. Libra, life is simpler now since karmic debentures have been worked through over the years. Keep expenses down as much as possible. Cosmic tip: believe you were right in making that difficult choice. Capricorn, a long-term relationship should begin for singles. Discuss investments properly. An optional transfer offered is a surprise. Cosmic take: pursue further studies if that is your goal. Gemini, think 10 times before going ahead. Speaking about injustice at work has to be handled very diplomatically. This karmic cycle is one of abundance. Cosmic tip: enjoy this pampering from friends and the food. Taurus, discussing issues mutually or just waiting for the karmic cycle to change and N is highlighted. Make lifestyle changes with awareness. Cosmic tip: investment wisely for the future through this is a personal choices. Scorpio, misunderstandings and arguments can be worked through by actually listening to what a friend is saying. Some reach a crossroads in life. Cosmic tip: driving carefully, following traffic safety rules. Aquarius, networking helps career in the long haul as some contacts may help. Learn a stress busting method. Cosmic tip: figure out what are obstacles at work, then figure out how to deal with them. Cancer, changing some set habits after a discussion with the spouse partner is already showing its positive trend in togetherness. Cosmic tip: learn to compartmentalize life. Now Leo, an important decision is made finally after a lot of soul searching. Love is in the air for some singles. Try to minimize working hours. Cosmic tip: end this insecurity by accepting new opportunities. Virgo, career business settle down. Some goals decided on 2 years ago are reached. It's also time to set new goals. Cosmic tip: deal happily with extra responsibility given at work since this is a compliment. Sagittarius, there is satisfaction from professional life, especially since you have been singled out to helm an assignment. Cosmic tip: remain approachable and ready to help at work. This accounts for your popularity. And finally the last, Pisces, living the moment makes you sensitive to cosmic vibes and a message being sent through a person. Keep valuables and money safe. Health is good. Cosmic tip: don't take anything for granted. Please do subscribe my channel Random News.